G'day guys, we're going to change the alternator on a Toyota Hilux KUN26R diesel, 4-wheel drive, dual cab, and we'll show you how to do that. First things first is we need to make sure that the battery terminal is disconnected, so we just loosen that terminal off, disconnect that terminal before we start. Then we need to remove the belt. What I've done here, we've got the belt tensioner down there. I've got a ring spanner on there, but it's quite tight to get enough, so I've just got a bar on my spanner to get enough leverage. Maybe you've got a longer spanner that can do it. And then as we lever that over, we can get in and get the belt off. Okay, I've also removing the air cleaner box and the airflow meter on the top there, so that we can actually get some access down into the alternator, which is down there. We've got our B positive terminal and our regulator plug with 4 wires in it. Now we can get this belt off the alternator. We've got the top bolt there, the longer bolt, which we need to remove, but we need to remove that pulley on there, and we have one smaller bolt on the bracket underneath the alternator which we'll remove, and then we should be able to get our alternator out and replace it with a new one. Okay, so we loosen that bolt that holds the main battery wire on, remove that nut, and the cable, and push in the little clip and wriggle that and pull out that. We've got the wires disconnected now from our alternator, so now we can remove the bolt. Okay, we're going to get that pulley out of the way there. I've loosened that bolt off. Okay, I've got that pulley out of the way, so we can get clear access to that bolt. Okay, once we've got that bolt, I've got that loose. Take out that top bolt. Okay, then we should be able to wriggle the alternator and get it out. Once we've got the alternator out, we want to then check just to make sure that the one we're going to put in there is the same plug, same terminal. The one other thing that we check, and this makes it easy, if they've got a spacer on there, and it's this spacer here, you can see that one off it is all the way in, and the new one is slightly out. We need to move that in. Makes it a lot easier to get that back on. Okay, once we've got the new one sitting in there, we can finish putting the bolts in, put the wiring back on, the main battery wire and the regulator plug. And we can put the belt back on, and then we can check to see what it's doing, that it's charging. Okay, we've got the wiring back on the alternator. The alternator's bolted in, just left to put the belt back on and the airbox in, and we can start it and check it. Okay, once we've got that all back in and the belt back on, we reconnect the battery terminal, tighten that up, and we can start it up and check the charge rate. Okay, once we've started it up, we've got the multimeter connected and we're now up to 14.2 volts, which is good. So, job all done. Give us a like. Leave any comments or questions you have. Any other videos you want to see on a Toyota in the comments. Thanks a lot.